Because there is no requirement for selling, affiliate marketing, or social network followers, this is one of the simplest ways to make money online, and it works for anyone from anywhere in the world. Moreover, no prior experience is necessary. You only need to copy and paste a small amount of text, and if you wait until the very end of the video, I'll show you 3 additional places where you can earn money. Welcome to the Make Money Online channel, where we will teach you the most recent methods for making money online. Before we continue, don't forget to hit the notification bell, like the video, and subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified whenever I release a new video. Let's return to the video now, and let's begin right here. In less than 30 minutes, I'll be able to show you how to use Google to repeatedly earn money. I'll also show you how to choose other payment methods if PayPal isn't offered in your nation, or if you don't want to utilize it. Let's begin through with step 1, which is to visit Google. Step 2 is to look for international news. I advise visiting news.google.com, which is the first official website you should visit when looking for international news. Here, you may get the most recent news and articles on a range of subjects from across the world. Similar to a newspaper, you can find news about anything on the internet, including politics, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health. You might consider, how will this work right now? How do I get my free PayPal money? So here, on the left-hand side, you have all the categories you have on the world news, which is about what is happening in the globe right now. We won't pay attention to your local news since you only want to focus on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and most importantly, health. You have your own local news, which we will disregard. As you can see, if I choose the health category, I'll get access to all the most recent health-related news and articles. So let's scroll and see if we can uncover anything intriguing. I'm therefore interested in this freshly uploaded article because it's a really nice one that plenty of people would click on. You only need to read one article, then. You won't need to sell anything, so don't worry about it. This has nothing to do with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, or any other type of marketing. Simply open that article, start copying stuff from it. I'll copy this right here, and then go to step 3. Spinbot.com is the third tab we'll be using. You must paste the story that you read on Google News here. The article will then be redone for you so that it is entirely original and written in your own terms. I'll share 3 more websites with you where you can use these articles. You will receive payment from those websites for the articles, and some of them will pay you $1 per word. Those articles, as you can see, can be thousands of words long. Once you've located the article, simply copy and paste the content into this box, move the cursor down a bit, and then confirm that you are not a robot to continue. Spinbot will now completely rewrite the content for you. It incorporates synonyms and is rewritten in your own words so that you can copy the original revised content and submit it to the following 3 websites to be compensated for it. You can submit your own articles to eatingwell.com, which will be the first website we utilize, or you can create articles for this website and get paid for it. Now, you can simply utilize Google News, which has been purchased, to write original, high-quality articles, for which you will be paid up to $1 per word, rather than spending days writing those pieces. The first of 3 websites I have for you is this one. On this website, you can be paid up to 1 cent per word, which means that if you purchase a 1,000-word piece, you might earn $1,000 from it alone, and copying and pasting it takes less than 30 minutes. How do you submit your article, then, so that you may get paid here on this website? Just scroll down until you locate a section with their contact information, copy it, paste it into your email, and send it to them with the subject Submit or Article Submission. or something along those lines. When you give them that email, they will review it, decide whether they like it, and then ask for your payment details. You must provide your PayPal account information, including your email address, if you want to be paid using PayPal. Enter your bank details if you want to be paid via bank transfer. The same holds true for additional payment options, because fresh articles have been added to Google News. You have several possibilities every few hours. Additionally, you can post articles to sierraclub.org. For additional details on how to submit your articles to this website, check their website. Just comply with the directions given and email the results to this address. Consequently, copy it and paste it in your email. Submit your story to Sierra Club by include your contact information in the subject line. Org. Open up a scientific category and copy an article every day. You won't just be able to submit health and fitness articles like you did with eating well. You'll also need to discover something linked to technology or science. The third and final website where you can submit your articles is jsdstr.org. By checking their submission criteria, you can learn more about how it operates. This website will pay you a little less, but it's still worthwhile to utilize because it enables you to maximize outcomes while also earning some extra money. The best thing about this website is that they just need up to 2,000 words from you and pay you 31 cents per word. Paying is not that bad. Average word price is 31 cents, and the more articles you submit to these websites, the more money you may expect to make because it adds up quickly. Even if you just receive one piece per day, that's still hundreds of submissions, even though not every submission would be accepted. By simply copying and pasting, you might make hundreds, if not thousands, per day. You don't have to wait to summarize, just go to Google and click on Google News. It was all entirely free. Open an article, choose a category from the left-hand side, copy the text, use Spinbot to make it unique, and then submit it. If you enjoy comparable content to this, view my previous videos, and if you enjoy them, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. We'll see you in the following video.